If you've been looking at the Coswheel R6000, you've probably seen some pretty wild claims. Up to 55 miles per hour, a 7,000-watt peak motor, and up to 80 miles of range. But is the R6000 actually legit? Or is this another electric bike that looks better on paper than it does in real life? Let's take a closer look. The R6000 is more like an electric dirt bike than a normal e-bike. It uses a 60-volt system and a 30 Ah removable battery. Coswheel claims up to 55 miles of range using throttle-only riding. With pedal assist, the claimed range goes up to 80 miles. Those numbers sound impressive. But remember, real-world range can be much lower. Rider weight, speed, hills, and riding style all matter. The bike also weighs around 121 pounds. So this is definitely not a lightweight commuter. But that extra weight comes with some serious hardware. You get hydraulic disc brakes, long travel front suspension, a rear suspension setup, and 17-inch off-road tyres. There's also an NFC card system and a colour display. On paper, the package looks pretty solid. But here's where I would be careful. Some recent customer reviews have raised concerns about Coswheel's customer service and advertised performance. The Trustpilot profile currently has a mixed rating, with several negative reviews alongside some very positive ones. So, is it a scam? I wouldn't call the R6000 itself a scam. The bike is a real product with real specifications, but I would definitely do your homework before buying. Check the seller, check the warranty, check local road laws. And most importantly, don't buy it based only on the advertised top speed or range. At around $1,499 on Coswheel's current listing, the R6000 is tempting. But for me, it's a buy with caution, not an automatic recommendation. If you want serious off-road performance, it looks interesting. Just make sure you know exactly what you're paying for.